my channel. I am not in the field. You will see me in the field in a bit. Today is test run of my series, The Hunt. Now today we'll be looking at crab hunting. Now crabs usually lives in swamps, swampy area, wetland areas, you know, near the bed of rivers, those little areas that don't have much noise, right? Today, myself along with Orande will be looking at crabs in Jamaica. That crab meal. Now you see a bowl of crabs at the beginning of this video. That is the end product, practically the end product of a night of hunting. Now usually what happened during that night of hunting, you will see in a bit or day or during the rainfall, because crabs usually come out like after a heavy torrential rain, right? Because the water will actually go in the hole, and that would kind of get the crab to walk. And then persons will light their battle torch and they would walk out into the swamp, the wetlands, those areas, and they would hunt for crabs, and they would catch like 2 dozen crab, 4 dozen crab, right? And they will sell them to persons like who is defending those crabs. Those crabs are dead, by the way, they are cooked, right? So around the angler from Around the Angler YouTube channel aided me in giving me some clips for this video. He went on a crab hunt, right? I will be doing a few hunting videos. I don't know how my audience like these type of videos, so this is like a premiere to something that will come later on, probably in August. So let me know what you think below. This is about hunting, getting the wild to be at a particular place. Now you'll hear about Horande a little bit more, because he has his bits to add in. Right? Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned until the end of the video, in which I think will be a very short, spicy, interesting one. Peace. Hunting crabs can be dangerous fun. It can be awesome, it can be risky both to health and to, practically to your health. Now, this video was actually taken during a very wet late evening, where in which 2 crabs were spotted rushing into this hole where my good friend Randy was actually heading towards to hunt for crabs. Now he identified 2 crabs, but honestly, if it was me, I would, you see him get bite a while ago. Me, I wouldn't put my hand on that. I would carry a machete and I would practically dig around that hole. But boy, because you don't know how down there stay, and you trust that the crab went down there, so it's a crab hole. So therefore, you would have a gloves and you would try to get the crab out without actually breaking apart any limbs, because the crab meat, for those persons who eat crab, is in the claws, right? And persons love the claws. Some persons only consume the claws of the crab. So for roughly about a couple hours, they wrestled to get 2 crabs out of this hole, right? Eventually they got it, but it took some amount of convincing, the best way to hold a crab when you're actually doing crab hunting is to squeeze it in its eye, but you can't really see the crab, so therefore you have to just ensure that you hold the crab properly. You can't hold the crab by the claws, because a crab will just release his claws into your hand so as to escape. So what they are doing is actually trying to catch the crab by digging a hole around the crab hole, which will actually have the hole itself collapsing, and the crab will want to stay above the collapsed earth. So therefore, when the crab comes up, avoiding the collapsed earth, they will actually grab the crab, right? So a piece of that clip is somewhere right here, where they actually got a hold of the crab, but the crab set itself in such a way that it proved difficult to actually take the crab from out of the hole. Eventually, fighting, as I said before, this actual event took a couple amount of minutes. Eventually, the crabs, it was two, was taken out of this crab hole with a very huge clipper. And he's actually looking at the crab. By the way, Orlando and his friend is actually doing the crab hunting task, right? I appreciate the clip. I do not live, should I say, I am not familiar with this area. So here they have two crabs, right? A big one and a large one. By now you know that the big one is the male, and the female, I think it would be the small one. I think, I'm not sure, I'm not 100% sure. I probably would have to read up on that, right? So here you have both crabs, right? Now, crab hunting can be fun, as I said before. It can be dangerous. Now, you can do crab hunting, as I said, to sell to a vendor, which would eventually prepare it, like what you see, like what you saw at the front of the video clip. Or you can actually gear yourself up, fun. You can just shoot that crab, like you're doing spear fishing or water fishing or whatever, just for fun, right? So this is one of those events where in which the crabs were being just hunted for fun, because no vendor would want to purchase a dead crab from you. All crabs going in the pot must be alive and kicking. All crabs are alive and kicking before it is seasoned with a lot of pepper, just pepper. So it's like 20 crab in one big pot, and you have probably about a dozen scotch bonnet pepper cut up very fine in the pot. So therefore it will actually resonate into the crab meat itself, and persons would say that these crabs are tasting nice, right? So this crab is just for fun. Or if you wish, you could actually boil a crab and you can consume it, but no vendor will actually take from you a dead crab, right? So it's just for fun. And crabs usually comes out when a heavy downpour have occurred, and it's usually in the night. I hope that you appreciate this video. Thank you very much for tuning in. It was really fun, right? Thank you very much. Have an awesome evening. Bye bye for now. Cool.